We'll guide you through how to choose between Printful and Printify for your print-on-demand needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Printful website. Take a look at their product catalog to see the variety of items they offer, from apparel to home decor. Pay attention to the quality descriptions and customer reviews to get a sense of what users think about their products. Printful is known for its integration with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Etsy, which can be a huge advantage if you're already using those. Now, let's switch gears and go to the Printify website. Here, you'll find a wide array of print providers, which means you can choose where your items are printed based on cost, location, and product variety. This flexibility can be beneficial if you're targeting international markets or want to optimize shipping times. Printify generally offers lower base prices than Printful, but you need to manage relationships with multiple print providers. Keep in mind that while Printify offers more competitive pricing, the quality can vary depending on the provider you choose. A helpful tip: consider your business model and customer base. If seamless integration and consistent quality are your top priorities, Printful might be the better choice. However, if cost and flexibility with a variety of print partners are more important, then Printify could be the way to go. Ultimately, the decision comes down to what aligns best with your business goals and budget. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.